what we would first see, if we start on this right-hand side, is as we view from the top, we would see the chlorine facing us. So that's why the chlorine has a wedge towards the viewer. Again, if we were to view from the top, the fluorine is above the hydrogen. The hydrogen is pointing downwards. The fluorine is a little bit upwards. And so that's why the fluorine has a wedge pointing towards the viewer. Again, as we keep going, we're pointing from the top. We will see the methyl group first, and then the CH2R group is actually below. So that's why the CH3 has a wedge pointing towards the viewer, and the CH2R is behind the plane. As we view from the top, we will see the iodine pointing upwards, the hydrogen pointing downwards, so the iodine will have the wedge towards the viewer. And as we look from the top, we will see the hydrogen first, and that's why the hydrogen has the wedge here.